What is up guys, VMTHD here. Apple event was yesterday and we have got some new products. Let's take a look at them.
This is the new Apple Watch Series 6. With Apple Watch Series 6, you can measure your blood oxygen right from your wrist. The new health sensor in Series 6 shines red and infrared light onto your wrist and measures the amount of light reflected back. Advanced algorithms use this data to calculate the color of your blood, which indicates the amount of oxygen present. The new blood oxygen app lets you take a measurement in just 15 seconds. And Series 6 also captures periodic background readings and stores them in your health app. There's a new blue aluminum case, this updated classic gold stainless steel finish, a new gray-black stainless steel called graphite, and for the first time, a stunning new Apple Watch product red. Inside Series 6 is our 6th generation system in package. It includes a high-performance dual-core processor based on the A13 Bionic in iPhone 11, but optimized for Apple Watch. Series 6 has an even better always-on display. Now it's 2.5 times brighter outdoors when your wrist is down. Series 6 also features a new always-on altimeter that provides continuous elevation throughout the day. The watch face is fundamental to the Apple Watch experience, and we're taking faces further this year. In watchOS 7, we also gave developers new tools to build even more specialized watch faces. So if you're into surfing, there's a watch face for that, with apps like Dawn Patrol to check surf conditions. Or if you're into photography, there's a watch face for that, with apps like Lumi to help you track the sun's position. Or if you're a healthcare provider, there's a watch face for that, with apps like Notable to see your upcoming appointments. Another is interchangeable bands. We're excited to introduce something completely different, the Solo Loop. The Solo Loop is remarkably simple. No clasp, no buckle, no overlapping parts, just one continuous piece. Made from custom liquid silicone, the Solo Loop is stretchable so you can easily slip it on and off your wrist. It's available in a range of sizes so you can find your most comfortable fit. And it comes in 7 fantastic colors. This new band style is so comfortable, we did another version called the Braided Solo Loop. It's made from 100% recycled yarn that's meticulously braided with ultra-thin silicone threads, and it will be available in 5 colors. We're also offering a new take on the leather band with the new leather link, with no loop back or clasp of any kind. That's Apple Watch Series 6, the most advanced Apple Watch ever.
Whether they're learning at home or in the classroom, the new school time mode helps kids stay focused with Do Not Disturb, restricted interaction, and this distinctive look, which teachers or parents can recognize at a glance.
The second thing we're doing to make Apple Watch available to even more people is to create a new model that combines elements of Series 6 design with the most essential features of Apple Watch, all at a more affordable price. We call it Apple Watch SE. Apple Watch SE uses the S5 chip for up to 2 times faster performance than Series 3. And staying connected is even easier with the cellular models, which allow you to make phone calls, send messages, and more, even without your phone. And Apple Watch SE has the same accelerometer, gyroscope, compass, and altimeter as Series 6. And because it has the latest motion sensors, Apple Watch SE also supports fall detection. With all of these features and more, including the new capabilities in watchOS 7, we think Apple Watch SE will be the perfect watch for many new customers. Apple Watch SE starts at just $279. In addition, we're announcing Apple Card financing for Apple Watch so customers can easily pay across 24 monthly payments. Apple Watch Series 6 with the breakthrough new blood oxygen sensor starts at just $399. And
introducing Apple Fitness Plus, a new service for Apple Watch designed to inspire you to get fit and stay fit. With Fitness Plus, you simply choose the workout you want to do from the catalog of videos on your iPhone, iPad, or Apple TV. And when you start the video, it automatically starts the correct workout in your Apple Watch workout app. And it sends those metrics in real time right to the screen you're viewing the workout. Fitness Plus is launching with the most popular workout types, so there is something for everyone. Yoga, cycling, dance, treadmill walk and treadmill run, strength, core, HIIT, rowing, and even mindful cooldowns.
Now let's turn our attention to iPad.
The new iPad 8th generation. It's more capable than ever, and it starts with the A12 Bionic. It features a powerful CPU and super fast GPU. Compared to the already fast chip in last year's iPad, it has a 40% faster CPU and delivers a massive 2x jump in graphics. Of course, this new iPad works with one of our most beloved accessories, Apple Pencil. These powerful handwriting and note-taking features join a host of other new features that continue to push what's possible on iPad. And it all runs beautifully on the new iPad 8th generation. With its 10.2-inch Retina display, huge performance boost from the A12 Bionic, keyboard and pencil support, great cameras, and so much more. And it starts at just $329. And it's just $299 for our education customers. Customers can order iPad 8th generation today, and it will be available starting this Friday.
And today, we are thrilled to introduce an all-new, completely redesigned iPad Air.
The all-new thin inline enclosure and narrow border design features a beautiful all-screen display. Each element of iPad Air is meticulously crafted, from the precisely machined top button to the sculpted detail around the camera. And the new iPad Air design comes in 5 gorgeous colors, including a new rose gold, green, and sky blue finish. The new iPad Air features a larger 10.9-inch liquid Retina display.